Welcome to Bike Insight. Today we're exploring the all-new 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650, also known as the Baby Africa Twin. This mid-weight adventure motorcycle brings the thrill, technology, and rugged personality of the famous Africa Twin 1100 into a smaller, more affordable package. Designed for riders who crave adventure but want something lighter and easier to handle, this model could easily become one of Honda's most successful bikes in years. Design and styling, inspired by the Big Brother. The Africa Twin 650 carries a bold and unmistakable design. Honda has carefully retained the signature Africa Twin styling, the tall stance, sharp body panels, aggressive LED headlights, and rally-inspired front beak. The dual-tone blue and white color scheme gives it a premium and sporty look, reflecting both elegance and adventure spirit. Its ergonomics are built for comfort on long rides. A wide handlebar, upright seating, and a sculpted fuel tank make it perfect for touring. The overall build quality feels solid, with attention to detail visible in the metal frame, seat stitching, and fairing fitment, a true reflection of Honda's craftsmanship. Engine and performance, built for every terrain. Powering the 2026 Africa Twin 650 is a newly engineered 650 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine derived from Honda's performance lineage. It's expected to deliver around 75 horsepower and 65 Nm of torque, providing a smooth and linear power delivery across all rev ranges. This engine is tuned for both on-road and off-road adventure, giving riders confidence in every situation. Honda's engineering ensures minimal vibration and refined performance, while maintaining strong low-end torque, ideal for trails, climbs, and city rides. The bike also offers improved fuel efficiency, making it a reliable companion for long-distance touring. With a top speed expected near 200 km per hour, this mid-weight machine is built to thrill. Suspension and handling, confidence everywhere. The Africa Twin 650 rides on a robust steel frame supported by premium Showa long-travel suspension. This setup allows the bike to glide over potholes, gravel, and rough tracks without compromising comfort. The front features 43mm inverted forks, while the rear uses a Pro-Link monoshock, both adjustable for preload and rebound. A well-balanced weight distribution gives excellent handling both at high speeds and low-speed technical sections. The 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoke wheels ensure durability off-road while maintaining smooth road manners. Combined with dual-disc brakes and ABS, the Africa Twin 650 guarantees superior control in all conditions. Technology and features, modern adventure intelligence. Honda has packed this new model with cutting-edge technology to enhance the riding experience. The TFT color display provides all key information, speed, fuel range, gear indicator, and navigation integration via smartphone connectivity. Riders can switch between different riding modes like urban, touring, gravel, and off-road to suit terrain and mood. Safety features include traction control, cornering ABS, slipper clutch, and even cruise control for long-distance comfort. Honda is also expected to offer the dual-clutch transmission (DCT) version, allowing riders to choose between manual or fully automatic shifting. This system, first seen in the larger Africa Twin, makes the 650 even more versatile for all kinds of riders. Price and market position. The 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650 is expected to launch by mid-2026, with an estimated price between $9,000 and $10,000. This pricing places it right in competition with the Yamaha Tenor 700, Suzuki V-Strom 650, and KTM 690 Enduro R. While some of its rivals might have raw off-road strength, Honda's Africa Twin 650 stands out for its blend of reliability, technology, comfort, and everyday usability. For riders who love adventure but don't want the weight and price of a liter-class machine, this model offers the perfect balance of performance and practicality. Verdict: the perfect all-round adventure bike. The 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650 is not just a smaller version of the 1100, it's a new identity of its own. With its dynamic engine, comfortable ergonomics, advanced electronics, and signature Africa Twin styling, it's designed to handle everything from daily commutes to cross-country adventures. It represents the future of midweight adventure bikes, reliable, affordable, and truly capable. Whether you're an experienced rider or just stepping into the world of ADV touring, the Africa Twin 650 is the ideal starting point for endless journeys. Conclusion: ride beyond limits. Honda has once again proven why it leads the adventure motorcycle world. The 2026 Africa Twin 650 blends innovation, comfort, and power in a package that welcomes every rider into the adventure community. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Insight for more in-depth motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and updates from the world of two wheels. Stay tuned, your next adventure might just begin here.